The Japanese automaker still can't seem to disclose the Generation Supra, however reviewed the forthcoming Games Auto with a race auto idea prior this year. Presently, Sports Business Journal reports the Supra will take to the track once it's prepared to do ovals. The move bodes well, considering the Camry stands out like a sore thumb going up against sports autos like the Camaro and Mustang in NASCAR. Obviously, NASCAR race autos don't truly convey quite a bit of their generation partners, so whichever display is really dashing on the track is there for advancement purposes, as it were. Referring to 6 anonymous sources, the report says one of the fundamental explanations behind the switch is declining enthusiasm for customary vehicles, and an expanded dependence on sports autos to produce fervor for a brand. Toyota, be that as it may, has not said anything yet on the issue. By and large, the move bodes well, considering the Supra nameplate has an incredible notoriety with regards to different types of motorsports. As odd as it may sound to hear the Supra contending in NASCAR, whoever thought a Camry would?